Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Next, we multiply both sides by e to the power of y. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now we go to this one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about the u equals to the s. dv, we have sine s ds. The integration of sine s, you got about v equal to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have negative s cosine s. Next, the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign here, so you got about positive. And we have the integration cosine s ds. The integration of this one, you got about sine s, and we put about c. Now let's go to this one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y, du equals to dy, dv we will have about e to the power of y dy. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of y. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have ye to the power of y minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration e to the power of y dy, and we got the final answer. Now let's go back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.